everybody, I'm Josie.
And I'm Brenda.
And today's a very special day because we are unboxing
our bulbs!
Yay! Bulbs are one of the easiest ways to create spring drama in your garden. They come up before anything else, and while it's not instant gratification, it is the easiest thing in the world to do. So today we're gonna see what we got in the mail.
Yeah, let's do it. Wow, that's heavy.
Beautiful.
Okay, so we're ready to open up our bulbs.
Do it, Brenda, do it.
The big reveal.
It's so fun because we have so many boxes, but we have no idea what's in each box. So
yeah, we don't know if these are alliums, if they're daffodils,
tulips.
And they are alliums.
The holy grail of bulbs. Everybody in the world wants these bulbs in their garden this fall. If you don't know about alliums, they are super tall. They come in a variety of colors. We tend to stick to the gladiator version, which are the purple globes that you see in most gardens. They're the most popular and they're also the biggest.
They look like onions.
They do look, that's because alliums are in the onion family.
No way.
Yeah.
I should know that.
Well, I don't know if you should know it. They don't, do they smell like onions?
No. I don't smell onion. No, I don't smell onion.
You know what I want to do? Anytime I see a bulb, I want to bite it. I don't know why. Anyway, box 2?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Who's this?
These are
beautiful,
beautiful daffodils. Which kind?
No way.
Stainless. Stainless are those beautiful, pure white daffodils that you see. And to me, that's like the most elegant daffodil you can have.
Yes.
They're on the smaller side compared to like a gay tabor, which are those fat, juicy daffodils. If you're going elegant, stainless daffodils are the way to go. So we're here at our final box reveal and we got
tulips.
These are the cutest bulbs.
They are, yeah. We got too excited. We opened the box already.
Here at the Inspired Garden, we like when things look a little natural.
Yeah.
And nature tends to plant in clumps and it doesn't plant in straight lines, right? So we like to put tulips in groups of 3 or 5 and we like to kind of just zigzag them towards the front of the mid layer. But you want them right in front of the daffodils because remember, we have tulips coming up after the daffodils. So we want to hide the daffodils' dying leaves.
Yeah, that's smart.
Yeah. And for daffodils, you're just going to put about 3 in a hole because remember a daffodil bulb is a little bit bigger than a tulip.
And then alliums is just 1.
1 per hole. Remember how big those bulbs were? So we don't want to crowd that hole. Alliums go right in the back of your garden. And again, you could put them in a straight line if you're looking for that more modern garden look. Yeah. Or you can zigzag them, again, to mimic nature. Nothing grows in straight lines.
And if you're ever not sure, just refer to the planting instructions on the back of the packet.
Thank you, everybody, for joining us for our bulb haul. We hope you had a great time and maybe you picked up some ideas for your fall bulb planting.
Yeah. We really hope that you do this for your garden because it's definitely worth the wait. Once you go through a whole winter and then you start to see some nice color popping up in early spring, so yeah.
Get out there, get digging. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments below. We're here to help you and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.